Welcome to our English listening channel. Do you want to feel confident speaking English in real-life situations? In this video, you will find 20 realistic dialogues for 3 common places: hospital, airport, and restaurant. Each dialogue is between a woman and a man using natural, everyday English. At the hospital, you'll learn how to make an appointment, talk to a doctor, and pick up medicine. At the airport, you'll practice checking in, going through security, and reporting lost luggage. At the restaurant, you'll order food, ask for the check, and even handle a complaint. All conversations are slow, clear, and perfect for beginners. Listen, repeat, and improve, step by step. Your turn. Which situation is most useful for you? Write in the comments. If you enjoy learning English with real-life stories, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell so you never miss a new lesson. Let's make English easy and fun together. Good morning. I'd like to make an appointment with a doctor.
Sure. Is it for yourself?
Yes, for me. I've had a bad headache for 3 days.
I see. Do you have a family doctor here?
No, this would be my first visit.
No problem. Dr. Brown is available tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Tomorrow at 10 works perfectly.
Great. Can I have your full name and date of birth?
Anna Johnson, born March 12, 1990.
And your phone number?
555-234-5678.
Any insurance information?
Yes, I have Blue Cross. The ID is BC7890.
Got it. Please arrive 15 minutes early to fill out a form.
I will. Should I bring anything else?
Just your ID and insurance card.
Thank you, Dr. Liam.
I'm not the doctor, just the receptionist. But you're welcome.
Oh, sorry. See you tomorrow.
Take care. Goodbye.
Hello. I need to pick up a prescription.
Sure. What's the patient's name?
Sophie Williams.
Let me check. Yes, I have it. It's amoxicillin.
That's right, for an ear infection.
Do you have any allergies?
No, none.
Good. The doctor said take 1 pill every 8 hours.
With food or without?
Ear is fine, but drink lots of water.
How many days should I take it?
Finish the whole 7-day course, even if you feel better.
Got it. Any side effects I should watch for?
Maybe mild stomach upset. If you get a rash, stop and call your doctor.
That's helpful. How much do I owe?
Your insurance covers it, just $10 copay.
Here's $10.
Thanks. Here's your medicine and the info sheet.
Thank you so much, Mike.
Feel better soon, Sophie.
Olivia, my son fell off his bike. I think his arm is broken.
Please calm down. We'll help. What's his name?
Ethan Clark. He's 7 years old.
Any known allergies?
No allergies. He's healthy.
Is he on any medication?
No.
When did the fall happen?
About 20 minutes ago. He's crying a lot.
We'll take him in right away. Please fill out this form.
Can I stay with him?
Yes, you can go with him to the exam room.
Thank you. Does he need an X-ray?
Most likely, yes. The doctor will decide.
How long will it take?
Probably 2-3 hours, depending on how busy it is.
That's fine. I just want him to be okay.
You're a good mom. The doctor will see him soon.
I appreciate your kindness.
It's my job. Stay strong, Olivia.
Emma, I've been feeling very tired lately.
How long has this been going on?
About 3 weeks. I sleep 8 hours but still feel exhausted.
Any other symptoms? Fever, weight change?
No fever, but I've lost some weight without trying.
That's important. Are you eating well?
Yes, normal appetite.
Do you feel sad or depressed?
A little, mostly because of the tiredness.
I'll order blood tests, thyroid and iron levels.
Do I need to fast before the test?
Yes, for 8 hours. Do it tomorrow morning.
Can I still drink water?
Yes, water is fine. No coffee or juice.
When will the results be ready?
In 2 days, I'll call you.
Should I take any vitamins in the meantime?
Don't start anything yet. Wait for the results.
Okay, thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Get some rest, Isabella.
Emma, when can I visit my mother? She's in room 204.
Liam, visiting hours are from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Only 2 visitors at a time.
Can I bring her flowers?
No flowers in the ICU, but regular rooms are fine. Is she in ICU?
No, she's in a regular room after surgery.
Then flowers are okay. No strong perfumes, please.
Got it. Will she be discharged tomorrow?
Possibly, if her blood pressure stays normal.
What should we prepare at home?
Make sure she has a quiet room, plenty of water, and her medicines.
Does she need a special diet?
Soft foods for the first 2 days. No heavy lifting.
How long until she can walk normally?
About a week. A physiotherapist will visit her today.
Should I buy a walker?
Not yet. The therapist will recommend one if needed.
Thank you for explaining everything.
You're welcome. Please wash your hands before entering.
I will. One more thing. Can she use her phone?
Yes, but on silent mode to not disturb others.
Hello. I'd like to check in for my flight to London.
Sure. Can I see your passport and ticket?
Here you go.
Thank you, Miss Mia. Do you have any checked bags?
Yes, one suitcase. It's right here.
Please put it on the scale.
It's 22 kilograms. Is that okay?
Your allowance is 23 kilograms, so you're fine.
Great. Can I have a window seat?
Let me see. Yes, 14A is available.
Perfect. And my carry-on?
It must fit under the seat or in the overhead bin.
It's a small backpack.
That's fine. Here's your boarding pass.
What time should I be at the gate?
Boarding starts at 3:30 p.m., gate B12.
Thank you. Where is security?
Straight ahead, then turn left.
Thanks for your help, Jake.
Have a nice flight, Mia.
Hi. Do I need to take off my shoes?
Yes, please place them in the bin.
What about my laptop?
Take it out and put it in a separate bin.
Okay. Do I also remove my jacket?
Yes, jackets and belts go in the bin.
I have a water bottle. It's empty.
That's fine. Empty bottles are allowed.
What about my phone and watch?
They can stay in your bag or in the bin.
I'll put them in the bin.
Walk through the scanners slowly.
Walks. Is it done?
Yes, you're good. Collect your things.
That was fast. Thank you.
You're welcome. Next time, arrive 2 hours early.
I did, actually. I have plenty of time.
Smart traveler. Have a safe flight.
Thanks, Kevin. You too. I mean, have a good day.
Thanks. Bye.
Emma, is this the gate for Flight 247 to Paris?
Yes, but there's a delay. About 45 minutes.
Oh, no. What's the reason?
Late arrival of the aircraft from its previous destination.
Will I miss my connecting flight?
Let me check. What's your next flight?
From Paris to Rome at 8 p.m.
You should be fine. This flight lands at 7:15.
That's tight. Can I get rebooked?
Wait another 20 minutes. If delay grows, we'll rebook you.
Do you have any vouchers for food?
For delays over 2 hours, yes. Not yet.
Okay. Where can I sit nearby?
There are seats right here, or the food court is 1 floor down.
I'll stay here. Please keep us updated.
I will announce every 15 minutes.
Thank you, Mark. You're very helpful.
I know this is frustrating. I'm sorry.
Not your fault. I appreciate your patience.
Thanks, Lily. Fingers crossed for a quick departure.
My suitcase didn't arrive on the carousel.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can I see your baggage claim tag?
Here it is.
Thank you, Miss Grace. What does your bag look like?
It's a black hard-shell suitcase with a red ribbon.
Your flight was from Chicago to Denver, correct?
Yes, Flight 892.
Let me check the system. It might be on the next flight.
When is the next flight?
Arrives in 2 hours. If your bag is on it, we'll deliver it to you.
I have an important meeting tomorrow. My suit is inside.
I understand. We also offer a small compensation for essentials.
What kind of essentials?
Toiletries, a change of clothes, up to $100. Keep receipts.
That's good to know. Can you track my bag online?
Yes, use this reference number on our website.
How long until I know for sure?
Within 4 hours. We'll text you.
Thank you, David. I hope it shows up.
Me too. Most lost bags are found within 24 hours.
Excuse me, where is the currency exchange?
It's on the second floor, near the food court.
Is there an ATM nearby?
Yes, just past the baggage claim area, on your left.
And the taxi stand?
Exit door number 4, straight outside.
Do they accept credit cards?
Most taxis do, but it's better to have cash.
How much is a taxi to downtown?
About $30, fixed rate.
Is there a train or bus?
Yes, the airport shuttle bus is $5. It stops at the main station.
Which is faster?
Taxi is 20 minutes, bus is 40 minutes.
I'll take the taxi. Where do I get a luggage cart?
Free carts are right next to the baggage carousel.
Great. One more thing. Where's the restroom?
Behind you, 50 meters, next to the gift shop.
You've been very helpful, Paul. Thanks.
You're welcome, Nora. Enjoy your stay.
Emma, I'd like to make a dinner reservation for 2.
Liam? Certainly. For what day and time?
This Saturday at 7 p.m.?
Let me check. Yes, we have a table available.
Perfect. Under the name Chloe Smith.
Is it a special occasion?
It's our anniversary.
Congratulations. Would you like a window table?
Yes, please. That would be lovely.
Any dietary restrictions we should know?
I'm vegetarian, but my husband eats everything.
We have vegetarian options clearly marked.
Great. How long will we have the table?
For 2 hours. Is that enough?
Absolutely. Do you need a credit card to hold it?
Only for parties of 6 or more. You're fine.
What if we're late?
Please call us. We hold tables for 15 minutes.
Understood. Thank you, Alex.
See you Saturday, Chloe. Happy anniversary.
Hi, we have a reservation under Emma.
Welcome. Let me check. Yes, table for 2 at 7:30?
That's us.
Right this way. Would you prefer a booth or a table?
A booth, please. It's cozier.
Here you are. Is the lighting okay?
It's perfect. Thank you.
Your server will be with you in a moment.
Can we see the wine list?
It's on the second page of the menu.
Is there a kids menu? We don't have children today. Just asking.
Yes, for future visits, it's available.
Great. And the restroom?
Down the hall, to the left.
One more thing. Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes. The password is delicious, all lowercase.
Got it. Thanks, Mike.
Enjoy your meal. I'll bring some water.
Sparkling or still?
Still water is complimentary. Sparkling is extra. Your choice.
Hi. I think we're ready to order.
Great. What can I get for you?
I'll have the grilled salmon with steamed vegetables.
Excellent choice. How would you like your salmon cooked?
Medium, please.
And for you, sir?
My husband will have the ribeye steak. Medium rare.
Side dish? Fries? Mashed potatoes? Or baked potato?
Baked potato with sour cream.
Any appetizers?
Yes, the bruschetta to share.
Drinks?
I'd like a glass of Chardonnay.
And for him?
He'll have an IPA beer.
Our IPA is local. Very popular.
Sounds good. Also, can we get extra napkins?
Of course. I'll bring them right away.
How long will the food take?
About 15-20 minutes. Enjoy your drinks.
Can we have the check, please?
Sure. Was everything okay with your meal?
Yes, it was delicious. The steak was perfect.
I'm glad to hear that. Dessert or coffee?
No, thank you. Just the bill.
Here you are. Take your time.
Can we split it? 2 separate cards?
Absolutely. How would you like to divide it?
50-50. We had almost the same amount.
I can do that. Do you need an itemized bill?
No, just the total split in half.
Your half is $32.50, and your friend's is the same.
Is service charge included?
No, tip is not included.
Can I add the tip on the card?
Yes, just write the total amount.
I'll leave 18%. That's fair.
Very generous. Thank you.
Here are both cards.
I'll be right back with your receipts. Thanks, Lily.
Emma, I'm sorry, but this soup is cold.
Oh, I apologize. Let me take it back to the kitchen.
I also ordered my steak well done, but it's pink inside.
That's not acceptable. I'll replace both immediately.
Thank you. I don't want to be difficult.
No, you're right to tell us. Would you like something else instead?
No, just a hot soup and a well done steak.
I'll personally check them before bringing them out.
How long will it take?
About 10 minutes. Can I offer you a free drink?
A glass of red wine would be nice.
Coming right up. I'm really sorry for the trouble.
It happens. I appreciate you fixing it.
Here you go, on the house.
Thank you, Tom. That's very kind.
Your new steak is almost ready.
And the soup?
It's hot now. I tested it myself.
Great. I'll wait. Thanks for handling this professionally.
Customer satisfaction is our priority. Enjoy your meal, Emma.